Ow!
Place your hands and let me read it first. On the page, close your eyes and count to 5. You want to go on? Okay. So, shake the book really hard. What do you think will happen? So, there.
Hi Momzees! So, I haven't shot an intro for this video. So, I've been filming my days leading to my induction day kasi gusto ko sana ma-document yung mga ginagawa ko dito sa bahay to naturally induce my labor, hoping that baby comes out before induction day, which is on the 31st. So anyway, I've been filming, I've been up the whole day doing a lot of things na. So ngayon, nakaligo na ako, napaliguan ko na yung mga cats namin, napaliguan na si Magnus. Now, I'm sterilizing. Sadly lang today, actually, the past weeks, mahina na yung cat namin. If you've been following us, alam nyo na meron kaming dalawang pusa. One is Marmi, he's 10 years old, and he's been sick for the past week. We just give him sugar water and salt water. Tapos nga, today, he's still fighting. He's been drinking lots of fluids, although nagwiwiwi and pupu na siya sa floor, which never happens talaga kasi cat litter trained sila. So, medyo sad. But, alam nyo kung naniniwala kayo sa superstitions. Wait, nakasquat ako the whole time Sinasquat ko, papagod ako, pero nakasquat ako. If you believe in superstitions, you'll be amazed na si Marmi and si Chichi, yung two cats namin, lagi silang may sakit bago ko mag-labor, bago ko manganak. And I don't know if that's because may kinukuha silang energy na hindi ganun kaganda para lang kaming mga humans, mga tao dito sa bahay ay healthy at saka walang sakit. I'm hoping he recovers from this, and I'm hoping na makita pa niya si baby. Yun lang, that's my update. And yan, samahan niyo ako today kasi magpapatagtag pa tayo. More and more and more. So, yan.
Box.
Sterilize. And then make sure that the things are dry. Okay? Need to tak-tak.
Like this.
Tak-tak. So, fix it first. Press. Wow, so tall. That's how tall you are now?
Two, Mom.
Okay.
Hi, May. January. December. November.
Okay, so I just got home from the vet and yun nga, wala na si Marmi. It's sad pero at least I know na hindi na siya in pain and unlimited plastic na siya. Kasi feeling ko liver failure yung cause. Yun yung feeling namin, liver failure na rin dahil may bad habit si Marmi of eating plastics. As in, ang healthy ng diet niya. He's raw-fed. They're raw-fed yung dalawang cats namin. Pero si Marmi, meron siyang bad habit of eating plastics. I'm just grateful kasi naniniwala talaga ako na may power ang cats to heal and to absorb negative energy or bad energy. Every time na lang na malapit na akong manganak or pag nanganganak ako, which is with Hafi and with Magnus, mahina sila, nanghihina. At least isa sa kanila may sakit. So, yun na lang yung pinaniniwalaan ko na He saved us and accepted ko na. Hindi pa ako nakakain, wala pa akong gana kumain. Nag-snack lang ako ng crackers pero wala akong gana kumain talaga. But hopefully, umayos na rin tong nararamdaman. I mean, kailangan natin maging happy, positive, kasi nakatulong yun sa kickstart ng labor. So, kahit mahirap, we need to accept and move on. Si Magnus kanina hindi niya naiintindihan yung nangyayari. When I was crying while Marmi was in pain, sabi niya, "It's okay, Mama, he's just there." And we still have Chi-Chi. So, yun. Okay, so, Magnus, I'm not sure if I'm going into labor tonight, okay?
Okay. Labor night.
If I give birth tonight, I have to go to the hospital. Do you want me to wake you up
Okay, Mom.
before I leave?
Okay, Mom. And you follow me to the doctor, Mom.
You're going to follow?
Okay, Mom, I'm gonna drive me, Mom.
Are you gonna follow? No, you just wait here at home.
I'm gonna be birth, Mom, from the baby. And
You're
the
gonna give
baby
birth
come.
to?
Okay, and my baby, Mom.
We have a baby there?
Uh-huh.
What? I thought Mama has the baby.
I have a baby.
Okay, and then, no, you wait for us here at home. We'll come home with the baby. And then what will you do?
But surprise, Mama.
You're going to surprise us with donuts? And what else?
Granny house.
A granny house?
Okay.
No, I don't want. I'm gonna get scared.
Are you gonna be happy from the granny house?
I'm gonna be scared. Don't scare baby.
I'm the scare baby and put the iPad, Mom.
Okay?
Mom, I talk about wedding view party is, Mama.
Oh yeah, can you tell them about your party?
Okay.
So, when's your birthday?
My birthday is June 6.
Okay, but when are we celebrating it? We're celebrating it a day ahead, right?
Mom, we need to put donuts.
Okay.
Make it red, yellow, blue.
Okay.
Red, yellow, blue.
Okay, that's the theme of your party. primary colors.
Okay, red and blue donuts.
Okay.
Let's decorate Mom the house.
Okay.
Red and blue party.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, hug mama na. I'm gonna miss you if I stay in the hospital.
I miss you,
I'm gonna
Mom.
miss you.
I love you.
I love you. Are you excited to see the baby? Are you excited to see the baby?
No.
No? You don't want to meet the baby
I
yet?
want to meet the baby later, Mama.
Okay.
Later.
Okay, say goodnight na. It's late.
Good night.
We're going to sleep.
Mom, wait for him to go off a watermelon. And he
Okay.
comes out. And he grows a watermelon.
But that's going to be too big na.
He's not like that.
Okay. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Let's sleep with Dada. And no, the mess. We need to fix first.
Okay.
Dada is snoring there. He's too tired. Okay, good night.
Want to sleep with Magnus?
Yes, of course. Bye. Don't buy that. There's milk eh. Ba't di ka na marunong magdede? You forgot na? Eh, hindi mo naman ako hinelp contract eh.
Let me sleep in Mama.
Okay, help ako.
Okay.
Of course. Thank you.
I'm a granny. I'm a granny.
Go to bed na. No, nap muna kami ate. Good night. Uy, Chichi. Nauna pa.
That's a sweet one. A good night, goon. Night, goon. You sing, Mom. You sing.
In the cool gray tune,
See you want to sing, Mama.
there was a
Listen,
breeze tone
This one
in
to.
a black lagoon.
What's this, Mama?
It's a tune. Hi Momzees! So it's May 30, 3 p.m. Kakatulog lang ni Magnus and usually yaya na niya ang nagpapatulog sa kanya sa hapon kasi parang months ago medyo sinasanay ko na rin siya na hindi ako laging available in case siyempre pag clingy ang ating newborn and hindi ko siya masasamaan matulog. But today, he asked if I could bathe him, feed him, and put him to nap. So, ayan, nandyan siya ngayon sa amin. Meron na kasi si Magnus na sariling kwarto. Doon siya talaga natutulog sa hapon para nakakatrabaho ako. Pero ngayon, nag-request siya na katabi ko siya mag-nap. So, pinatulog ko muna siya. Ayan. So, today is Monday and it's also the last day before I get induced medically. So, hinihintay ko lang din yung call ng OB ko kung ano bang game plan namin tomorrow, but she gave me na nga talaga a schedule of my induction, which is tomorrow, May 31. And nakakaloka kasi sobrang tight ng schedule ni Mo dahil siyang asawa ko and siyang daddy ng baby and siyang birthing partner ko talaga. Syempre, siya talaga yung gusto kong kasama when I go into labor and give birth. But unfortunately, sobrang busy ng schedule niya and ang nature ng work niya ay mahirap talagang baguhin ang schedule or mag-schedule kasi shooting yan sa pelikula sila, so talagang planado yan and mahirap mag-cancel ng trabaho, especially because tapos po ng 6 projects niya since April. So ang hirap nun financially kasi 6 projects yung hinihintay namin, tapos lahat nag-move to June. late May to June. So, ngayon siya talaga sobrang busy. So, we have no choice but for him to accept his work. Syempre, kasi commitment niya yan. So, ang mangyayari is, starting June 2 to June 12, wala siya. He'll be out for work. And, yun ang medyo problema ko kasi wala siya kung in case mga nakako later on, mga nakako around that time, hindi ko siya makakasama. So, good thing I have my family, meron namang mga friends na nag-offer din na samahan ako in case kailangan ko ng companion nga. And yun, at least meron tayong mga plan B na nakahanda. So, yun, malapit na. So, very, very soon makikita na natin si baby. And I'm actually contemplating if, I don't want to sound morbid, pero iniisip ko kung kailangan ko ba magsulat ng goodbye letter, reminders. Kasi alam naman natin na, yung sinasabi nila na, di ba, nasa kalahati ng katawan mo nasa hukay pag manganganak ka, and based on experience, nagkaroon na kami ng complications, and I've been very positive all throughout this pregnancy because I realized that 50-50 chance is still 50-50 chance. So, it's all up to me whether I focus on the 50 chance that something will go wrong or the 50% chance that everything will fall into place. So, nasa sa akin yun. And I choose to be positive because I have Magnus waiting for me at home. I have my husband. And I have this baby who we need to take care of pa. I have to be positive and I have to be strong because I also want to attract that positive energy. Dito sa bahay, medyo nag-prepare na ako ng mga gagawin. Mga immediate lang naman na mga gagawin in case kunwari, activities ni Magnus for school. Inayos ko na yun. Naghanda ako ng gift ni Matjas for Magnus, ng gift ni Magnus for Matjas, nag-iwan ako ng pera pang bili ni Magnus ng handa pag dumating yung brother niya. Please pray for our safety, for the safety of baby. Na let's pray na this time meron tayong ma-room in the baby because sa past 2 pregnancies ko, wala akong na-room in the baby. Sana ma-discharge kami agad. Sana hindi ako mag-bleed. Sana maayos lahat, and I hope God blesses the hands of those people who will be handling us and birthing my baby. So that's all I pray for, and ito na yun. Ito na yung last vlog ko siguro before I give birth. And by the time you're watching this, sana nakauwi na kami and okay naman ang lahat. I was really hoping that ma-induce ako naturally, mag-labor ako naturally without intervention. Pero kung ano talaga ang safe, dun tayo. I fully trust my OB. And if she thinks talaga that inducing me at 38 is necessary, then let's do it. Hello? Ito nga, ano na naging Love you.
Yeah.
Ow! Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. So, our doctor just called and may schedule na ako for induction. I'm getting induced tomorrow at 6 o'clock. And, but she's still hoping na mag-natural labor ako tonight. Sana, no? Tignan natin sabay-sabay. I'm gonna give birth tomorrow na, Magnus.
Okay.